I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the prerequisites. You need your phone or Instagram credentials and a live connection. Once done, open the Threads app and tap Login. If you already use Instagram, choose that option to pull your profile automatically. Otherwise, select phone or email. This first action links identity and saves time. Make sure notifications are allowed so verification codes arrive promptly, because missing a code stalls the entire flow. You now enter credentials and follow the app prompts to authenticate. If using Instagram, confirm the account and grant Threads required permissions. If using phone, type the code sent via SMS. Multi-factor requests may ask you to approve a login from another device. Tap Approve quickly to avoid timeouts. Take a moment to review requested permissions. Granting them improves sync and reduces friction later. Once authenticated, Threads links basic profile info, so you can proceed immediately. Finish by completing any profile prompts and selecting privacy options that suit you. If a verification code never arrives, resend it and check message filters, spam folders, or carrier delays. Sometimes switching networks helps. If your credentials are rejected or the account is locked, use the account recovery flow in Instagram or Threads and follow the verification steps. This proves ownership and restores access. Remember, patience and accurate
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.